At Interworld Cleaning, we know that clean work and living environments have been shown to keep people healthier, happier, and more productive. That's why we've specialized in providing quality cleaning services since 2009, maintaining a customer-first mentality to keep your world green, clean, and serene. We start with using exceptional products that provide high-quality cleaning power while remaining gentle to home and outdoor environments. Wherever possible, we choose products proven to encourage green practices, all at no additional cost to you. We even go the extra mile by providing complimentary dispensers designed to facilitate green product implementation. Our high-caliber staff are specially trained to use these products to ensure the greatest efficiency and effectiveness possible during the cleaning process. Many of them are people with advanced professional backgrounds working on making new lives for themselves in the cleaning industry. Interworld provides them a helping hand in this, and in return, receives some of the best workers on the market. We provide a vast array of services, making us confident we can assist you in any residential, commercial, or industrial cleaning you may need. With the help of our sister company, Fix Construction, we can even handle all your home improvement and building maintenance needs. To keep the range of services simplified on your end, you'll receive just one bill, as well as just one phone number to reach us at. We'll stay in close contact and work with you to build a long-term relationship, providing the exact intensity, frequency, and scope of work you're looking for. In the end, our relationships with each other and the world around us are what enrich and add value to our lives. Going above and beyond for the betterment of our world is what we do, and we hope you'll join us in this endeavor.